The mission of Timeless Designs is to, by each project, improve the client experience in building or remodeling. Unfortunately, our industry isn't known for being super client-centric and having a really great experience. And so I love providing really great experiences for my client, from the design presentation where we have champagne and macarons because we're celebrating the kickoff of their new project, to having the landscape signage put in the ground and celebrating kickoff of the project. And then in the very end, one of my really favorite things is providing an epic housewarming party. So we coordinate all of that, and it's just, it's such a great experience that, I mean, I can't imagine not doing it.